سلام بیننده های محترم به کانال کابل تک در یوتیوب خوش آمدید. بیننده های محترم، برای ویدیوهای تازه یوتیوب ما را سابسکرایب نمایید و بل آیکن را فشار بدهید تا در آینده از ویدیوهای تازه ما با خبر شوید.
Hi dear my friends, I will show you today how to remove noise in the city. The first thing is open the Audacity file softwares. After that scan and from here open any files MP3. After that I'm open it now in here, come and select this area, go to the effects and noise redirections. After that come here in the level, the first time was 26, I will make 48 and 40. After that this number one is same one, and this was maybe 5 4, make sure, and 0. Get the noise profile. After that double click, select all, and come in the effects, and also come to the noise and make OK. After OK, that's watch the removing.
Okay dear viewers, I will show you today
All of
how to remove
your
noise
noise.
in Audacity.
After that come here and export to MP3. And save as. Make OK. Okay, enough. Thanks dear my friends for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.